In a major breakthrough in the field of breast cancer research, Oriya scientists at Bhubaneswar-based Institute of Life Sciences (ILS) have claimed that neem leaves have the characteristic to cure breast cancer. The team led by senior scientist Dr. Sanjeev Sahu claims they have found from the research that neem leaves have phytochemicals named nimbolide, which is effective enough in curing breast cancer. Moreover, nimbolide is also seen destroying other dangerous cancer cells in the human body. The research by the team of scientists from ILS in this regard has been recently published in the international scientific research magazine Molecular Therapy Nucleic Acids. As per the research, nimbolide has the capacity to completely cure the most dangerous triple-negative breast cancer. It has already been experimented successfully on mice and zebrafish as specimens. According to senior scientist Dr. Sanjeev Sahu, though the anti-cancer capacity of nimbolide was earlier known, it could not be used as it was not mixing with human blood. However, it can be effectively used now due to the application of nanotechnology by ILS Bhubaneswar.
Nimbolide based nanomedicine आमे तार टेस्ट करिछु ट्रिपल नेगेटिव ब्रेस्ट कैंसर सेल लाइन ह्यूमन सेल लाइन एवं तापर ताको तार एफिकासी देखिया पे दुईटा प्री क्लिनिकल मॉडल आमे करिछु जेब्राफिश मॉडल ले देखिछु एंड आल्सो वी डेवलप ए जेनोग्राफ मॉडल इन न्यूड माइस सेतिर आमे कोन करिछु इंजेक्ट करिकि ट्यूमर बनैछु तापर आमे डिफरेंट डोज इंजेक्ट करिकि आमे प्रूव करिछु जे ई जो निम्बोलाइड इट वर्क्स बेटर.
Currently, cancer is treated by using chemotherapy. However, along with the cancer cells, many other cells in the body are damaged by this method of treatment. But ILS scientists have found from the research that nimbolide is only destroying cancerous cells in the body. Moreover, along with curing breast cancer, nimbolide is providing effective against the cells of the fatal disease in other parts of the human body as well.
Chemotherapy drugs cannot recognize which is a normal cells and कोटा which cancerous cells. ये जो nimbolide होची तारा माने beauty of this molecule is सिर्फ cancer cells को तार माने kill करूची but whereas normal cells ऊपर तार toxicity प्रभाव नहीं. तो आमे उटे तारा उटे we want to develop a nanomedicinal approach to for the cancer therapy.
कि जितेबाला आम माइस रे एक्सपेरिमेंट करूँ जोटा कि आम 52 डेज थिला तो से आम पाइलु कि जो कंट्रोल ग्रुप थिला जो कि किसी भी ट्रीटमेंट दिया नाला से मेटास्टासिस सब डिस्टेंस ऑर्गन ने होता किंतु जिते निम्बोलाइड और निम्बोलाइड नानो पार्टिकल ट्रीटमेंट ग्रुप रे आम देखिलु से डिस्टेंस ऑर्गन ने जमा भी मेटास्टासिस नथिला. पूरा स्टडी रू आम इठू कनक्लूड कलु कि निम्बोलाइड गोटे पोटेंट एंटी ट्यूमर इफेक्ट भी देखौछि एट द सेम टाइम इट इज आल्सो शोइंग द एंटी मेटास्टैटिक इफेक्ट.
Now, the scientists of the Institute of Life Sciences have intensified their research about the effectiveness of nimbolide in the human body to target cancer cells. If it becomes successful, breast cancer medicine will be developed from neem leaves in the near future.